Good day everyone and welcome to another Mecad Minute. My name is Pierre Le Grange and I'm just going to quickly demonstrate you to get the content searching within PDM Professional. So previously I've shown you how you can use the operators like and, not, and or. This time I'm just going to show you with content searching what is the capabilities. So basically content searching is I'm going to search for wording or phrases within my document that is not actually linked to a variable. So normally you will search according to a variable. With content searching, it will go into your documentation and actually go and find that specific word or phrase that you are looking for. So if we look at this specific professional training vault setup document, I'm going to add any random information into this. I'm just going to say edit. This will now open up in Word. I'm just going to type in a random numbering. And I'm going to select this as well for the search, and I'm going to save. Check this in. And now I go to my searching capabilities. So I click open search, complete search. And here on the right hand side, I've got the option for content search. So basically what this actually does in the background, it uses your Windows search. And within that Windows search, we go and state what is the archive locations. It will already be indexed there. And this will now then go and search within those documents. So I'm just going to paste this here. But just before I click search, just want to show. So there's an option that says search in the content, or you have the option for search in properties, basically in the properties of the files or the variables. Find at least one of the words and find the exact phrase. So you can go and search for only a specific or for the entire phrase that is needed. So just to showcase, on the right hand side, I'm going to click start search, and this will now go and find it. And it will also show me that this is found in version 3. The reason for this is if I just go back and I edit the document again, I'm just going to change this to my second name, save, and close, and check it in again. When I do the searching isn't linked to the specific version that you currently have. It will actually go in your previous versions. So if a manager or anyone typed in something specific, you can go and search for that, and you can actually go and see when and in what version that was used. So if I search for that again, it will still show me that it's found in version 3, even though there is 4 versions available. And then just to show as well, if I change it to search for my name, you'll see that it will show that this is now found in version 4. So that's just a very nice and handy tool that is available in PDM Professional. If you need any help with the setup of this, or you want to contact us, please go to our website, and please follow us on this YouTube channel for more interesting Mecad minutes every day. You must all enjoy your day further. Cheers. Bye bye.